Hi guys, it's Noynoy's TV. For today's vlog, I will going to show to you kung gaano kalapit yung bahay namin sa dagat. Previous vlog ko, I said there, yung bahay namin is sobrang lapit sa dagat. That's why every time na mag-blackout, we will just going to go there and magpapahangin. Yun. So, let's start. Magsasayang muna ako kasi wala pang sinaing. So guys, ito na po. Ito yung ay papakita ko sa inyo kung gaano kalapit. Look. Yan yung bahay namin. Tapos kita nyo dito. Yan. Yung parang white na background. Dagat po yan. So, try natin kung ilang steps yung bahay namin papunta sa dagat. Okay guys, let's start counting. Starting from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So dito guys, 37 steps pa lang dyan po. So nilagyan ko po ng ito, palatandaan. Continue. So here sa tinatayuan ko guys, it's already 63 steps. And look at the view sa likod. Yan po yung dagat na sinasabi ko po. Dito it's already 63 steps. So try natin papunta sa dagat if ilan talaga. So 63 64. So 92 steps lahat guys sa bahay papunta sa dagat. Yung mafe-feel mo talaga yung dagat sa paa mo. So it's 92 steps only. So ganun po kalapit yung bahay namin sa dagat. So as of now guys, nafe-feel ko na yung hangin dito. Fresh air coming from the sea. And it's so very nice that I lived here malapit sa dagat. Ang sarap ng hangin. And guys, thank you for watching this vlog. For my next vlog, I don't know what would be the content, but I'll just try my best make you all interested of what you're viewing. So again, this is Noynoy's TV, and I hope you all have a great day. Goodbye for now and keep safe.